Hey, energy enthusiasts! Today, we're diving into some cool data insights that can sprinkle magic on our understanding of energy consumption trends, anomalies, and much more. Let's get started. 1. Power output analysis. Ever wonder how steady your energy consumption is? The first chart we have shows a solid power output of 20 milliwatt. This nugget offers a peek into a world of stable energy use, free from crazy jumps or dips. It's our golden baseline to understand how energy efficiency shapes up over time, especially with any sudden changes in our usage habits. 2. Temperature trends in Harrisburg. Next up, we're taking a tour through the temperature landscape of Harrisburg. While the specifics aren't on the table today, the chart keeps it cool with a consistent temperature flow. Staying on top of this with regular checks helps us catch any unexpected heat waves or chilly spells, making sense of how our energy interacts with ever-changing climates. 3. Humidity patterns. Now let's talk about humidity, or the lack thereof, in our data. Yes, our chart seems a bit thirsty for information, spotting a no data status. This gap might be a hiccup, but it's also a stark reminder of how vital keeping track of humidity is for optimizing our heating and cooling and overall comfort. Chapter 4. Cloudiness Observation. Speaking of gaps, our cloudiness insight also walks into the room with not much to offer, thanks to missing data points. Since clouds play a big game in controlling temperature and humidity, it's essential we get this data back on track for clearer insights into how they dance with our energy use. 5. Energy usage by 10-inch TV. Finally, let's zone into the world of entertainment with the energy usage of a 10-inch TV. This chart is a roller coaster with spikes in power usage that likely mirror our binge-watching sessions. A closer look at when and how these spikes occur could unravel the mysteries behind household energy consumption spikes. Summary. Wrapping up, our charts are like open books, offering insights albeit with a few missing pages. The journey through stable power outputs, steady temperatures, and those dramatic TV energy spikes gives us tons to ponder. Although gaps in humidity and cloudiness data do throw a curveball, it's a chance to improve our data tactics for even sharper strategies ahead. Stay tuned for more data-driven adventures. And remember, every chart and data point tells a story. Let's keep listening. #energy trends, #data insights, #sustainability, smart living, /tech savvy.